Now, let's take a look at Loopring's professional trading platform. So Loopring Pro is perfect for anyone who wants full control of the trades they make, whether that's trading at the current market price, having a look at the offers on the order book, or simply to do some technical analysis. Loopring Pro gives you full access to take control of the trades that you make. You can also add trading pairs to your favorites list to make accessing them quicker, to customizing the whole platform to what suits you. And thanks to Loopring's fee structure, every time you make a limit order outside the current spread, so below the highest buy price or above the lowest sell price, you pay no fees for that trade. Instead, because you're adding liquidity to the market, you're given a rebate for market making. And at the end of the month, that rebate will be paid directly into your Layer 2 account. So, if you were to put a limit order to buy LRC and put in the price you'd like to pay, once that trade has been processed, you'll pay no fees for making that trade. Instead, you'll be given a small rebate for adding liquidity to the market. And once it's processed, if you go to our Layer 2 wallet and click on Transactions and head to Trades, we can see once that trade has been processed, we paid no fees for making that trade.